Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can censor moving object or part of your video using CapCut mobile application. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have created a project on my CapCut application, and for example guys, I'm going to censor this man's face. And if you want to do that, first thing first, we can go to the sticker section right here. Click on the sticker and you have to search for the blur sticker, and there will be a couple of stickers you can use to censor the moving object, and I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, we can place this sticker to cover the moving object. We can also zoom in or zoom out like this. And then if we want to make the sticker follow the moving object, we can use this keyframe button. But before it, I'm going to make the sticker align with the video. Okay, and let's start to use this keyframe button to make the sticker follow the moving object. We can click on the keyframe button like this, and then we can adjust the position like this, guys. You can adjust it one by one until the moving object has been fully covered or censored with the sticker. Okay, it's almost done. All right, and I think it's done, guys. Then now let's just take a look at the final result. All right, guys, and that's how we can censor a moving object or part of our video using CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.